Namaste, Astrovet viewers. There is always doubt about a real birth time which needs explanation for this. So, we have our astrologer Mr. K.P. Gopal is here to explain about this. Welcome, sir.
Hello.
So, during the delivery time, the child head is seen first or foot is seen. Which time we have to consider as a real birth time?
Yes. This is the original Parasara method, or even the bygone method of noting the birth time was like, it is said in Sanskrit like Bristodayam or Srisodayam. Actually, it is only sighted. The child's head or foot is only sighted. Really, the child has not come out of the mother's womb. Actually, the child and mother should become separate entity. Then only the child is considered to be born. So, for which what has to happen is the child must totally come out, and the child is having its food and breath, everything through mother only still. But how to separate the child from the mother is to cut the cord. When the cord is cut, the child takes a breath from its own nostrils, which will cause a problem for the child, and that will make a big cry. That particular cry is called the first cry of the child, or at that time you can consider the child and the mothers have become separate entity. That is the exact time of birth.
Sir, is that possible to correct the birth time appropriately?
Yes, it is possible. It is actually how it is possible, because the birth time, if the birth time is correct, then only all your astrological readings will come right. Otherwise, astrologer may be telling you something and what is happening is something different. So that we can find in normal course of time. Most of the time this happens. When the time is corrected, more appropriate prediction can be given by an astrologer, and that will be enjoyed by the client or the native. So how to correct? See, if a man is sitting in front of you, body and soul together, and he is sitting very hale and healthy, but in his chart there is no connection between his body and soul. If there is no connection between body and soul, how come a man can sit in front of you? What happened is, he is quite perfect, but his time is not perfect. So what is body and what is mind? What is soul? Moon is called the responsible planet for body and mind. And ascendant is a point, it is a dot, it is called east rising at the time of birth. That is the one which is representing the soul. So when there is a connection between body and soul, one is existing as well. If there is a connection between ascendant and moon, that chart will be existing. So that is the idea of correcting the chart. So when you want to correct it, which one to move to correct it? You can move in a small manner and correct the time. Which one you can move? You cannot move the moon, because moon is there for one full day, 24 hours. So that is to be considered as a constant, and move the ascendant. In KP system, an ascendant is divided either into 22 or 19 or 21 or 21. So one ascendant, which takes 2 Earths, is divided into 22 different parts or 19 different parts. So take one particular part and you find out whether that matches with the moon. If that is not matching, then move the next item forward or back. That is the real correction. And because of this correction, how much you are going to move, it may be from 3 minutes to 8 minutes, because the smallest planet, I mean to say in the Dasa Bhakti, is Sun, which will take only 3 minutes to move, and the largest one is Venus, which will take around 8 minutes to move. So the ascendant moves over the Sun for 3 minutes, ascendant moves over the Venus for 8 minutes. So within this particular period only, everything is there. At the most, you will take 8 minutes to correct, or least 3 minutes to correct. Within this, you can correct and come to a more appropriate birth time.
Okay, sir. We have corrected in according to your system, how to ascertain whether it is
right or wrong. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's a good question. I have to explain that because we have corrected with a very minute difference in the time, and we'll find out by asking few questions like his personality, the feature, whether he is taller or shorter or black or good color or sturdy, or this way we ascertain with their feature. Then we ask few questions about how they talk, very harsh or polite or sweet. That way we ascertain. Then we find out whether this guy is an angry young man or coward eyes or fear complex. Then about some questions regarding their education, whether they do good in the education or poor in the education. Then if they are married, we will ask what is the relationship between husband and wife. With this we ascertain. A minute correction also can cause a difference. That is the very special effect of KP system and also computer. It's all because of the computer and the software. We cannot do it by hand. We had been doing it long time ago, more than 20 years ago. By correcting, we were coming to give the conclusions, and which we used to take a lot of time and effort, and we used to charge them also enormous money. But now it is not required. We normally correct it without even asking. We correct the time. Why we correct the time? Because only when we correct the time we will be able to give good prediction. Only when they receive the good prediction, the client or the native becomes happy. So that is our main motive. The satisfaction and happiness of the client is the main motive of an astrologer. So that is why we correct the time.
Thank you very much for the brief explanation about the birth time change. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.